cleaning up again. So here we go. thought of one thing. I think I saw this. We need to have the thing to sort these items in. You see all the stuff like there's the vitamins, there's lotions, oils, baby powder, hair gel. There's all the stuff there, but it doesn't have its own group. And I need to figure out how to I basically need to figure out a group for everything. Even right here, you can't see it. Right here, there's like papers and stuff. So what I need to do, I need to figure out like where I'm gonna put every. I need to figure out how to group everything. The main problem that comes in grouping stuff is main problem that comes in grouping stuff is quantity. Like if we have more of one thing and less of one thing, you can't just you can't give every group of item the same amount of space to be stored. Because items vary in size, quantity, and amount. I don't know if that was redundant. But anyway, I don't know how to tackle this. We have spaces, obviously, and we have items. How do I group everything well? And once I group everything, once I have a well enough grouping for everything, now it needs to be placed in a convenient, it needs to be structured in an area in the house that's conducive to how it's used. Or somewhat, it doesn't have to be perfectly conducive, it just has to be somewhat conducive to how it's used. Now that's gonna be very difficult. I don't even know how to do that. But that's the goal here. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna be able to get done, but that is definitely the goal. Okay. Alright, I think I thought of something just now. Now there's gonna be, because right here, if you can see on my iPad, I have have a notes thing, and on this notes thing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have classes for things. So that I'm gonna have a class that's like, for instance, large, large quantity or a large. I'm gonna have space. Do we really need to take it? Do I really need to take into consideration quantity? Had? Yeah, because some things it makes more sense money wise to buy a lot of it, use all of it, than buy a lot of it. Then with other things, it makes sense to get rid of it, buy it, get rid of it. It makes sense to have it. However, those things still vary in, I guess, size. Still, those things can still take up a lot of space. I'll figure something out. That's what I'm doing for now. Or that's what I'm doing right now. So I guess I could look around and then create a group. Think of how much the maximum quantity of the maximum quantity of this thing that we would have, and then the a space requirement for it. So I should write that down. Then I can write it down. So should those all be tags? Yeah, I think they should. Can you add 2 tags? Let me see. Can you add 2 tags to one thing? Custom. Oh, it looks like you can. Okay, cleaning. All right, so this is the cleaning. Sorry, I keep not speaking into the mic. Cleaning's 1 tag altogether. Now another tag is gonna be. What should another tag be? Let me think. Cleaning's 1 tag. Should I just go right into the? I'll just have quantity because why not? So cleaning, that's the tag of everything. Then there's quantity. So let me say that. Quantity. Okay, quantity is 1 tag. So cleaning quantity. Oh, and then when I could select how many tags I want. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so cleaning quantity. Cleaning quantity. What else? Size. I'll have a few sizes, but I'll just say size. Size. Cleaning. So quantity, size, what else? There's quantity, how much of the item, then there's the size of the item. Should placement also be considered? And I'll obviously face. I mean my entire face, whole face. Okay, so quantity. Okay. So far I have cleaning quantity, size. What else? There's another thing that I'm thinking of. I don't know how to explain it though. It's like something where there's like let me think. Placement? But if I'm considering placement, that would just be a class in and of itself. Like let's say it was something like hair gel, which might need be in or near the bathroom. So if it's an item like hair gel, it might as well be near or inside the bathroom. So I would make another I guess tag for this list that I'm making called bathroom. Do I have to make a list for everything? Probably, yeah, I might have to. Anyway, Hmm. Let me think. Yeah. Cleaning quantity or quantity size. You know what? Let's not worry about placement right now. Let's just think about the quantity the quantity of an item, or how much of an item, and then the size of it. Okay, I'm gonna see what I could do now in terms of cleaning. Okay, so now I know that the like for instance these. Do I need? Should I show this on the? I can show this. Yeah, it's just a brand. So these adult multivitamins, the quantity of these is I would make it six because we would only have like at most six of these or three or two or something like that. So if we would have six of these, that means that's the maximum quantity. Now the spacing that would take, how much space would that use? And now for how much space that uses, I would have to basically measure that and then think of the make a make sure we measure that with distance and then think of what else would take that much space and then compare them. This seems to be important when organizing stuff. Oh, something that I'll use to compare the spacing of like this can of stuff. Yeah, shape with the stuff tape in comparison to the I guess the multivitamins, and that's how I figure out the spacing. Like something like a large stack of pillows would take up a lot of space. It would be like I would have to probably add times. Like instead of adding this takes up 4 space, I would add like this takes up a lot more. Or like a TV store and that something that would take up, or a chair. But a chair spacing would be different. Basically, I don't know if you can. How much did that take? No, we use the multivitamins will be the I forget the name. I forget if I actually. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna worry about like other storing like different types of stuff like space. I'll just give it a value that's sort of accurate. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but I'll give it a value that's sort of accurate. So yeah. hmm So size up. So size up 2. Okay, I got that one. Now, and size. This item is right here. I don't know what the categorized item is. I guess it seems like a skin lotion. So what's the quantity of variety? What's the quantity of or quantity of variety of skin lotions that we would have? I would guess 4, because this isn't a gel. This is a lotion. So I guess the quantity would be 4. So we would have 4 of these at most, maybe 6. So yeah, I'm gonna say 4. So this is gonna have 4. And what's the size? The size I would say is equal to the multivitamin. So it's a size of. So it's quantity 6, and then a size. No. So lotion. Okay, well, how much? What's the quantity of this? So it would be 4. 4. And the size would be 1. Okay. to guess, this magnesium citrate, this would have a quantity of 2 and a size of one. The sizes. Yeah, size of 1. Okay, so the device that I'm using to list stuff is about to die out, so I guess I'm gonna pick this up later. Like, okay, so the device that I was used to record or not record. The device that I was using to list items off is dying, so I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see. Most likely, yeah, because I'm gonna do this consistent. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.